Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO Tab E10 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the keyboard. It does not really matter where, the browser, notes, whatever, anything that will work and show you the keyboard. Okay, we've got some problems here. Okay, maybe here. Can we do that? Hello. Is there a possibility to show the keyboard here or not? Okay, we've got it. So after opening the keyboard, we have to tap on this settings icon in the upper panel. Now let's tap on the languages at the top and tap on Add Keyboard. Right here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got a lot of options to choose from. So simply find yours and tap on it. Let me pick Urdu, for example. As it is a graphical language, so I'll show you the differences. So let's tap on the Urdu one and choose the region. Right here we will have the keyboard layout, so basically simply mark the option you'd like to use and untick the option you don't want to apply and tap on Done. As you can see, we've got two different languages, so before we will remove the language, I'd like to go back to the keyboard to show you actually the differences. So the first one is the language key, which will allow us to change the language. Just by tapping on it, we can switch through the keyboard layouts. As you can see, we've got the Urdu one, and after tapping on it again, we've got English. The same situation with the spacebar. I mean, it is not empty anymore. Right now, we've got the name of the language we're currently using, so the English, Urdu, or any other language you've got applied. So this is how to use the keyboard if you've got two different languages added, and if you want to set only one, simply go back to the settings, tap on the languages, and tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now let's mark the language you want to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. We've got only English, so after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that we do not have the globe icon, the spacebar is empty, which means that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.